Once you finish working on the project and you want to export it as a video, by default you will be exporting an entire timeline. Or you can select a specific part of the timeline by setting in and out points and export that. So the way we do that is by moving the time indicator to wherever we want to set the endpoint, so usually the start of the timeline, press B on the keyboard, then move to wherever you want to set the out point, so let's say 15 frames past the end of the animation, and press N on the keyboard, and that marks the end. Now we've selected this part of the timeline and we can export it by going up to File, Export, and here we either choose the Adobe Media Encoder or the After Effects Render Queue. And back in the day we didn't have the MP4 format in the After Effects renderer, now we do, so we can just select the Render Queue. Now in the Render Queue we're going to click on Best Settings and make sure that the settings and the quality are set to best for best quality. Click OK. Then in the Output module, let's click on the word. Then set format to H.264, that's the MP4. Then under video output, click on format options. And in the performance, if the hardware encoding is available, make sure you select that for faster render times. Then select the VBR variable bitrate and set the target bitrate. And generally higher bitrate means higher quality, but also means larger file size. And it really depends what kind of a video you're exporting. If you have a lot of movement going on in the video, I suggest to increase the target bitrate. But if there is not much going on, you don't really need to go for a high bitrate. Then click OK and also click OK over here. Then in the output tool, we're going to select the output folder, then click Save and then click Render. And after the render is done, navigate to the folder that you've specified, and here you'll find your project in the form of a video.